There we go. Let's get these somewhere that we can get a good look at these and talk about some of the features, and then I'll try them on and go hunting. Let's talk about this boot. We got a leather and nylon upper, really durable. This is like a really nice tough toe box here. I put these on earlier. There's a lot of room in here, not too much room. Don't call me out on that, but enough room to get the air flowing around your toes, right? Which is important. These are 100% waterproof. Leather uppers, like I said, nylon uppers. These have the 800 gram Prima Loft Gold insulation. Now you have this TerraForce Next platform, which is, I believe, what the boot itself like rests on. And I think that's going to be their internal and external shank system in the boot, which offers a ton of support, all right? They built this around the 851 Last. So it's an improved version of the 850 Last. Polyurethane footbeds, Vibram midsoles, rugged Vibram Pronghorn outsoles. Look at this. Talk about traction, all right? So yeah, that's what these boots are all about. Now, you know, instead of just putting these on with my gear and doing a fit test and being like, oh, they're amazing, we're gonna do a little different, all right? We're gonna go out hunting, we're gonna post up at like 5:30, 5:45, and just sit and wait. Now, hopefully, we bag something, we get that 8-point that I saw the other day and missed, and we're out of there early.
All right, everyone. It's about 5:45 in the morning. We got a full moon, so it might be a long sit.
All right, it's like 11 o'clock, I think. Just bagged a doe. Let's give you guys a quick recap of the boots. Man, they held up pretty nice. What I'll say is the boots were great. My toes didn't get cold at all. All right, there she is. My toes didn't get cold at all. And like I said, it was like 15 degrees all day. So I'm gonna get to putting this deer in the 4Runner and getting it home and hanging it up. I would highly recommend you pick up these Danner Pronghorn 800 insulated Gore-Tex boots. Served me right today, and I'm looking forward to wearing them again. Like and subscribe. Talk to you later.